Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to refinance business debt using Bluevine credit. If you're carrying high interest business debt, refinancing with Bluevine can lower your cost and simplify repayments. Here's how to do it. The first step is to log into your Bluevine account and check that you have an active credit line. Next is to calculate the total amount of debt that you want to refinance. This could be credit card debt, merchant cash advances, or other types of loans. Now in Bluevine dashboard, go to the credit line section and then click draw funds. Enter the amount that you need to cover the existing debt and then transfer the funds from to your Bluevine checking account or just directly to the lender that you're paying off. Now make the payoff to your old lender in full, completely closing out or reducing the higher interest account. Then confirm that the debt is cleared, and now you can manage repayments through Bluevine's structured schedule. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. You've refinanced your business debt through Bluevine, likely at a much lower interest cost, which will save you a lot of money in the long run. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.